Easy steps to carry out a BharatQR transaction on Pine Labs PoS. Step 1. Press any button to go to User menu. Step 2. Select Run Application and press green button. Step 3. Press green button to enter User menu. Step 4. Select BharatQR and press green button. Step 5. Select the bank and press green button. Step 6. Select Sale Request and press green button. Step 7. Enter the amount and press green button. Step 8. Let the customer scan the QR code using his or her bank mobile app supporting BharatQR. Step 9. Customer will pay the transaction amount via his or her bank mobile app supporting BharatQR. Step 10. Charge slip prints if transaction is successful. Step 11. Press Yes to print customer's copy. If the customer is unable to pay within 30 seconds, the transaction initiation slip will get generated. Step 12. To confirm the status of the transaction, the merchant needs to check the last transaction status. For more details, helpline number 0120 4033 600. Email plutus.support@pinelabs.com.